The most dangerous food for your body is not sugar, it's not fried chicken, it's not even soda. This food is hiding in almost everything you eat. This food causes something called oxidative stress. That's when your cells are attacked by unstable molecules called free radicals. It's like your organs are slowly rusting from the inside. Your liver, your brain, your heart, all under silent attack every single day. It promotes chronic inflammation, which leads to hormone imbalance, heart disease, and even cancer. And the scariest part, most people eat this food every single day without knowing. It's something far more deceptive. It's not sweet, it's not greasy, and it doesn't come with a warning label. In fact, it's hiding quietly in your kitchen cabinet, in your salad dressing, in your granola bar, even in so-called healthy foods. This one ingredient is silently destroying your cells, stressing your organs, and setting the stage for disease. And chances are, you've been told it's healthy. Let's talk about the real villain on your plate, called vegetable seed oils. Let's start with the basics. What are seed oils? These are oils extracted from seeds like canola oil, from rapeseed, sunflower oil, corn oil, soybean oil, cottonseed oil, and safflower oil. They sound plant-based, natural even, but don't be fooled. The truth is, these oils go through heavy industrial processing. We're talking about high heat, chemical solvents like hexane, bleaching, and deodorizing. The final product is far from the whole food it came from. These oils were originally created for industrial use, not for your kitchen. In fact, some were literally used as machinery lubricants before making their way onto grocery shelves. Seed oils are loaded with omega-6 fatty acids, specifically linoleic acid. Omega-6 isn't inherently bad. Our bodies need it in small amounts. But modern diets have gone completely out of balance. The ideal ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids is about 1:1 or 4:1:1. But today, the average person consumes a ratio closer to 20:1 or even worse. What does that mean? It means your body is primed for chronic inflammation. Too much omega-6 raises the risk of heart disease, fuels autoimmune conditions, worsens obesity and diabetes, and causes oxidative stress. Seed oils are one of the biggest dietary sources of this stress. Especially when heated like in deep frying, these oils become even more unstable, creating harmful compounds like aldehydes and trans fat. A 2020 study in Frontiers in Nutrition found that excessive linoleic acid contributes to a pro-inflammatory state linked to Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. So, what can you use? Healthy, stable fats that your body can recognize and digest properly, such as extra virgin olive oil, rich in antioxidants and monounsaturated fats. Avocado oil, great for high-heat cooking. Coconut oil, stable saturated fat, easy on digestion. Grass-fed butter or ghee, beef tallow or duck fat, traditional and nutrient-rich. These fats support your brain, hormones, and metabolism. Your body knows what to do with them. You don't have to overhaul your life overnight, but if you make just one change by cutting out seed oils, you could be protecting your brain, your heart, and your future. So many of today's health problems are not caused by bad luck or bad genes. They're caused by bad habits and bad information. Seed oils may be cheap, but the cost to your health? That's something you can't afford. If nature didn't make it, don't take it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand the truth about seed oils, give it a like, share it with someone who needs to see it, and hit that subscribe button. Your next bite could be the first step toward healing. Stay healthy, stay smart, and see you in the next video.